Okay guys, we're going to do a quick four-wheel drive video. We're going to talk quickly about the different drive types on cars, and then when and how you would use them, and then the most important part at the end, how you can test them, which will be helpful when you're evaluating trade-ins. Okay, rear-wheel drive means that the power is turning the rear wheels. Of course this will turn, but it's just getting pushed. The power is rear wheels. Front-wheel drive, same idea, but the power is the front wheels. Four-wheel drive, all of them turn. 50% of the power is turning the front, 50% is turning the back. Four-wheel drive. All-wheel drive, all four wheels turn, but it's not 50-50. The computer monitors traction and sends the power wherever it is needed. When to use it and how to use it. Rear-wheel drive and front-wheel drive, you don't do anything, you just drive the car. Sometimes you'll have a traction control button that you can turn on or off, but really you just drive it. There's nothing else to know. Okay, four-wheel low is seldomly used by most regular people. It's for serious off-road type of driving, like if you're in deep sand or deep snow or mud, crossing water, climbing rocks, pulling a boat out of the boat ramp where it's slippery. It's pretty much just really low speeds, under 30 miles an hour, sometimes just a few miles an hour. You have a lot of torque, but you don't go fast. Four-wheel high is used a lot more commonly than four-wheel low. You can use it on the highway or on regular asphalt roads. You can also use it off-road. Good conditions for four-wheel high would be wet or snowy roads or patches of wet and snowy driving. You can drive it at any speed, even up on even freeway speeds. All-wheel drive is a set it and forget it type of feature. You don't have to do anything. You can drive all the time when roads are dry, wet, it doesn't matter. Usually there's not even a setting. The car is just always in all-wheel drive. Okay, one quick important thing to keep in mind is you should never travel in four-wheel high or low on smooth, dry roads. It'll ruin the drivetrain. Okay, the last part of this is to learn how to test four-wheel drive and see if it's working. As shown here, there's lots of different controls, but we're going to go outside and test one right now and show you how to do it. Okay, to see if four-wheel drive is working on a vehicle, shift into neutral. Put it in four-wheel low, whether it's a button like this one, or maybe it'll be a dial or a lever. You'll hear kind of a clunk about 1 to 2 seconds after you push it. Okay, once you've shifted into four-wheel low, you feel the truck kind of clunk, and you'll usually see some sort of indicator saying four-wheel drive low or shift in process. Once that's done, you can put it in drive. So once you're in drive, just drive slowly forward, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. You'll feel the truck kind of bind like it can't turn sharp. Then turn it the other direction to the right. You'll feel the same thing. That means it works. If you don't feel the vehicle binding, then some part of the four-wheel drive system is broken. To take it out of four-wheel drive, just put it in neutral, shift back to two-wheel, and sometimes you need to back the vehicle up 10 or 15 feet to disengage. Obviously don't drive it very far in the parking lot because it can ruin the system, but a few feet won't matter. Okay guys, so you now know the basics of the different drive systems, also when and how to use them. So explain this to your customers as needed, and most importantly, test the four-wheel drive on all trade-ins. Call if you have any questions. Thanks guys.